Hello everyone, and welcome back to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your TikTok Wrapped status for 2025 using your account data. This process involves a few specific steps, so without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Since TikTok doesn't have a native feature like Spotify, we need to request your data file first. And it is very important that you choose the right file format. So here is how to do it. Firstly, simply open your TikTok application. Then click on your profile at the bottom right-hand corner. After that, click on the horizontal lines at the top right-hand corner. Then simply select Settings and Privacy, and after that, tap on Account. And over here, just simply select Download Your Data. Now wait a few seconds, and over here on this page, make sure you select All Data. And a crucial step, under the Select File Format, choose JSON. Do not choose TXT, as the Wrapped tool usually only reads JSON files, so make sure to choose JSON. Then tap on Done, and after that, click on Request Data. Now wait a few seconds, and now you have to wait. It can take a few hours to up to 4 days for TikTok to prepare this file. Once they have completed their work, they will notify you when it's ready. Now, once your file is ready to download, go back to the Download Your Data section in the settings and just simply save the file to your device. Now all you have to do is simply open your web browser, like Chrome or Safari, and in the search panel, just simply search for TikTok Wrapped, and then just simply hit Enter. Now just simply click on the top website, usually a third-party tool designed for this. Just simply click on that, and over here, just simply click on Start Now. And after that, just simply choose I have my TikTok file. Then over here, just simply click on Select File. Now wait a few seconds, and it should open your download folder. So all you have to do is simply choose the TikTok data that you downloaded. It should be right over there. And then the website will process the file and generate your wrapped summary, showing you all your watch time, comments, and favorite videos. So that's it. That's how you get your unofficial TikTok Wrapped. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.